July 4th, 2011. What's happening, Mila?
Nothing.
What are your daddy and Uncle Mike about to do?
Nothing. I'm not going to say it. Because I don't want to.
Watermelon eating contest, 2011.
This is the one. This is the biggest one last year.
One done.
Okay.
Blow 2010 out of the water.
Okay. So,
One.
the deal is you have to eat 3 watermelons in 10 seconds.
Hey,
You're
where?
changing
I
the
thought it was
rules.
many as you could in 10 seconds.
Buddy, why are you thumping this in my lap?
No.
Yummy?
You count to 10, and whoever eats the most watermelons is champion.
Fine, you can just choose.
Alright.
On your mark.
Your mark, get set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,